Concor has achieved a major milestone in India's logistics sector with the commencement of double-stack container train services from Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority on the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor. The development marks a significant step towards strengthening rail-based cargo transportation and improving supply chain efficiency. Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri visited one of the country's oldest continuously producing oil wells at Oil India Limited's installation in Duliajan, Assam, underscoring the PSU's enduring contribution to India's energy security. Nestled amid the lush tea estates of Assam, the oil well has been producing crude oil continuously for the last 6 decades. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited, a subsidiary of India's largest power utility NTPC Limited, has officially launched a significant tender for the supply and installation of 271 wind turbine generators for an 813 megawatt ISTS-connected wind energy project in Davangere, Karnataka. Hindustan Copper Limited has resumed underground development activities at the Malanchkhand Copper Project in Madhya Pradesh, marking an important milestone in the expansion of one of India's key copper mining assets. The resumption of underground activities is expected to provide fresh momentum to the project and support the company's long-term vision of expanding mining operations. A powerful milestone for India's nuclear journey, as indigenous capabilities take another giant leap forward. At heavy water boat facilities in Vadodara, 2 strategic advancements mark a new era of nuclear innovation. Versatile Deuterated Compounds Production Plant (VDPP) and 24 kV amperes prototype sodium cell. ONGC's Geodata Processing and Interpretation Center has been granted a patent by CGPDTM India for its in-house invention, a deep learning-based system and method for performing automatic move-out tracking of seismic data. Developed by Geopix Processing Division, the system automates stacking velocity estimation, enhancing the efficiency, consistency, and accuracy of seismic data processing. As Coal India advances plans for the proposed listing of its subsidiaries, MCL and SECL, an IPO readiness program was organized in collaboration with the National Stock Exchange in Kolkata to equip leadership teams with insights into capital market expectations, regulatory requirements, and corporate governance best practices. Bharat Electronics Limited, a Navratna Defence public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Defence, has announced that it has secured additional orders worth 1,081 crore rupees since its last disclosure dated 25th May 2026. State-owned construction and project management company NBCC India Limited has been conferred the prestigious Kalinga CSR Excellence National Award 2025 Gold category in recognition of its outstanding CSR initiatives. The award was presented during the 11th National Conclave on Environment, Energy and Climate Change 2026 held in Bhubaneswar. A team led by the Director Finance, ECL, visited and inspected the 100T selected Samla Railway Bridge under Pandaveshwar area on the 20th of June 2026 to review its operational preparedness and associated infrastructure. The team assessed overall operational status of the weighbridge, examined available facilities, and reviewed key aspects related to its functionality and performance.